Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be snatching the motor out. Well, in this video we're going to be snatching the motor out. I can't say today because I'm actually about to leave in about an hour, so I'm going to try to get as much done as I can within this hour that we have left. So yeah, in this video we'll be taking the motor out and putting the new one in. As you guys seen from the last video, went to Martin, the computer was fine. So only other thing it could be is the motor. So I just put it on the lift finally. I'm gonna go ahead. The front clip is pretty much just holding on right now. It's not even really in place. The screws aren't even tight. So I'm gonna snatch the front clip off real quick, put it to the side, and get to trying to take the motor out. I'm at least gonna get the wire harness and like the hoses and stuff out. So tomorrow when I can come early, and then tomorrow when I get here I'll just take it loose from the transmission probably, and then snatch it out. So I'm gonna try to get as much done today as I can so that tomorrow all I gotta do is take it out and put it back in. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get you guys put up, because this whole video is gonna be like a time lapse, because I'm not gonna sit here and let you guys watch me do the same or talk about what you guys already watched me do the first time. You guys see me take it out and put it in the first time, so it's gonna let you guys time lapse and watch me get it out, or time lapse me get it as far as I want it today. And then tomorrow we'll hop back on it. So let's get to it. All right guys, so we got the motor out. See the headers on there, and I'm gonna start swapping stuff from this motor to that motor. All right guys, so I just found out what the real issue is that's causing all of this mayhem. And look, so we got this thingy that goes to our flywheel. It's all chewed up, and then we have our, oh shoot, I don't even know what the heck I put it at now. Okay, so, oh, here it is. Try to say, all right, whenever I find the flywheel out, yeah, there, all right, there's our issue right there. Flywheel is bad. Beat the fuck. Cracked all up. That's the issue. So we did a whole motor swap for no reason. Ain't that something? But on a good note, I already got the headers on the new motor. I wrapped them up this time. So yeah, should be better for heat, and I just shouldn't melt those wires anymore now that I have this wrapped up. I got the new spark plugs in it. They had water in one of the cylinders. I think it might have just been from sitting out in the rain or whatever. But I took the top off, as you guys can see, and it's super clean in there too. So hopefully, oh man. All right guys, we got the headers back on. I actually heat wrapped them this time so I wouldn't burn the O2 sensor wires again. Nice little black coated heat wrap. We got the flywheel on. We got our flywheel on. I bought them from the junkyard. But yeah, I guess we're gonna go ahead and throw this thing back in now. I'm not gonna let you guys watch me do all of this. You guys watch enough time lapse, so I'm gonna go ahead and just throw it in here real quick, and I'll get back on the camera when I get it in. All right, first startup number 2. Prime it up. It's back. She's back and running. Oh my gosh. She's running again. Oh yeah, baby. All right guys, so we're leaving right now. And we're driving our baby again. I think I still need more training fluid though, but I got an air leak somewhere too. I gotta figure out, I think it's in the intake. And then my steering wheel's off again. Fuck, I hate that. Oh my gosh, she's ripping again, guys. And she's popping on the low, but she's not popping like it used to be. Yeah, I definitely got an air leak though. I can hear it. I can feel it. Alright guys, I'm in the Beamer. I got my brother back here taking the G home, so I can take the Beamer home too. I'm gonna have him do a couple flybys and stuff in a minute. And I'm using my phone right now. Hey, there it is. There's Bay. The car's Bay, by the way. Rev it! Rev it! All right, go fly-by. Alright guys, so manual mode's working. Let me let my window up. Windows up, AC on. We got manual mode working right now. This is what I want to show you guys about how short the gears are. See, I'm in 5th gear right now. And I'm at not even 80 and I'm doing 3,000 RPMs. And I know I'm in 5th gear because watch when I go down to 4th. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna go to 5th now. See, I got 5th gear, here's 4th. I got 4th, and I got 5th. And it's still super fucking high. The gears are so short in here, or maybe the final drive, I don't know what it is, but it's really short. That's why these transmissions blow up a lot, because they're always so heat stressed from being at so high RPMs if you're driving on the highway for a long distance. Don't like that issue, but whatever. Definitely gonna get a transmission cooler for it. But yeah guys, we are back. I hope you guys like those little clips or whatever. I'm so happy that we figured it out. I'm glad it was just a flywheel. I hope that helps a lot of you other guys, because I've been seeing a lot of forums about the same issue that I had and nobody figuring out what it is. Or everybody end up taking it to the dealership and then the dealership end up saying something about it being a timing issue. Because that is pretty much what it sounded like, but no, it wasn't timing. Broken flywheel. I'm just happy to have figured it out. But I will see you guys when I get home, because I got 2 cops behind me. I can't really do much. and I don't want them to see me on my phone because I don't got any tent. So see you guys when I get home. Oh, here's one of them right here. OPD. Don't feel like being bothered, so I'm gonna chill and hit you guys back when I get home to finish talking about the rest of the stuff and what we got next planned. All right, guys. So baby is back home finally. Finally got her back to the cribbo. She is running and driving great. Needs a wash now. Haven't washed it in about 2-3 weeks. Look at all that dirt. And there's like oil and stuff. My handprints and stuff still on there. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Definitely needs to be washed up. All right, no stop, guys. Got my Instagram. Y'all already know what time it is. Keep these videos coming for y'all. So my next plan for the cars, or for this car, I don't really have any more plans for this car right now. The only thing I want to do to it right now is get it tuned and lowered. So whichever one comes first, I already talked to Martin, so whenever I'm ready, I can go back to him. I definitely want to get it tuned, and I want to get it lowered, and then I'm going to leave it for a while. I'm really going to start focusing more on the Beamer a little bit now, getting it ready for the track, trying to get sideways. I need new axles and diff mounts and all of that stuff you guys seen from the last video, whatever, or the video before the last video, that we need that stuff for that car. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I think I might be starting on the other G really soon too, hopefully, if all goes well. I got to buy a couple more things and I can start on the silver G, on the gray G. And I really got big plans for that one, but we're gonna talk about that in another video. But with that being said, thank you all for watching as usual. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Keep up with the builds, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.